Crazy pump alert! 10 million Shiba Inu points are important to hold on to the price of the memo going Shiba Inu ship recently decreased, despite the fact that the creators are making every effort to burn a significant number of tokens each day. In addition, Sherborne just revealed plans to launch a new program. Is the shipper and radio application for Android, and Alexa. Now we're going to talk about everything that's happening with Shiba Inu coin right now and why you should keep 10 million SHIB tokens. So watch this video through to the finish because today's video is going to be a bomb. Before we get to our topic, let's look at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on October 11th. Should we conduct a price study of Shiba for a new show? We're interested in everything around Shiba. Oh, yes, the token had a price drop 2 hours ago, when it fell to a low of $1,084, before swiftly rising to its current price of $1,099. Shiba Inu is one of the few tokens that is quite volatile because the dips tend to be sharp even though the price change itself is not too high. The current level is at a high 41 after a quick recovery from 29. The MACD further gives us indications that the bearish momentum is not fully gone yet. For the most part, Shiba Inu continues to trade in the red. Additionally, we can see a downtrend forming on the one-day Shiba Inu price analysis. Could there be more room for a dip? Support for Shiba Inu is based on daily chart data. The market cap of Shiba Inu is down by 0%, while the trading volume is not by. For now, the bearish momentum is only trying to Nepal SHIB/USD down, currently sitting around the $1,084 mark. And if that gets broken, then there could be a possibility of a further downside. Based on all of the signals from the early in our charts, it is clear that the bulls are completely exhausted by the momentum. The bears are steadily pushing the price lower in the short term. We can see that she has a day 3.77% volume to market cap ratio and 0.1509. In the meantime, have a look at our ranking of the top 10 cryptocurrencies to buy right now. You've been a new is consolidating sideways on the long-term time frames. Let's return to the matter at hand. Shipper just revealed their plans to introduce a new iOS, Android, and Alexa skill for the Sherborne radio program. The application will further increase the ship burn rate, which has already increased significantly over the past few weeks. Interestingly, it has been revealed that more than 1.366 billion ships have been burned in the last 24 hours. All of these actions benefit the SHIB ecosystem and have an impact on its price action in the coming days. As of last week, when SHIB game was up 3%, be regarded as a good game. But at the time of writing, the always dropped by 6% over the last 7 days. At press time, SHIB was trading at $1.17 and had a market cap of $6 billion, $445 million, $286,234, a significant decline in the market cap. Other metrics, such as the market value, realized value, and B or the ratio went down, and the daily active addresses were also to blame for SHIB's recent price decline. These can be taken as bearish signals suggesting a further downtrend. Reason for this decline could be the after effects of the merge, which pushed several altcoins prices downward. In the upcoming days, deposits on exchanges were high compared to the 7-day average, which can be interpreted as increased selling pressure in the market. However, some metrics also indicated a trend reversal, such as SHIB's exchange reserve continuing to decline, which could be seen as a sign of an impending upswing. The SHIB's daily chart revealed an ambiguous situation as some marketing indicators adjusted a downtrend, while others pointed out a potential trend reversal. The exponential move and lower selling pressure, in addition to SHIB's social volume, which also increased significantly in the last week, indicated increased interest from the crypto community. In the memo, being typical, the moving average convergence divergence mug also painted a similar picture, showing a bearish edge in the market, but the relative strength and extra resignation and chicken money flow have provided some relief as they move slightly. Hima Ribbon registered a bearish crossover, further increasing the chances of a price decline soon. He should be buried by the upward. According to a formal statement from the Unification Foundation, preparations are still well underway for the 4th alpha and public chestnuts of the upcoming protocol. Developer Unification has also provided some crucial updates on the upcoming Shiba Inu Layer 2 protocol, including details on the next fund and a ship or swap bonus. Unification reminds the community that the deadline for final Axe funds claims is approaching on August 20th, when the Unification Foundation successfully minted the last X fund and set a 1-month maximum claiming period ending on September. The announcement also intensifies plans for these tests, which are scheduled for the end of September sometime shortly thereafter. After this time period, the smart contract will burn any remaining tokens and claim X-Fund tokens. The ultimate supply may be less than the original tank intended, according to Unification, which also notes that at the time of writing the supply was 9,818 on the ship, or exchange bonus some cash would be used for X. Claim of all until next year. The announcement states that although the smart contract will burn leftover X funds, unclaimed tokens from the shibaswap and X-Find Your portals will be available for withdrawals up until early 2023 depending on the outcome of a plain government's proposal. X funds will transfer to the Unification Community Fund. Tokens will be burned if the X funds are not used by the smart contract. The tokens will be available for withdrawal up until that time. Be used to reward users and community members who make innovations and other contributions that help the network advance. The first public beta test will largely target developers and delegators to ensure that the network is ready for all users when it launches officially, according to the release. The future public beta test will also make sure that them. Additionally, the announcement promises support for the 3 emerge unification plans to provide support for F2 as well as the old fork, as it believes this is the bare mainnet launch is secure by fine-tuning the process of fixing bugs and open testing. Additionally, all interested validators will be allowed to join the beta in preparation for the mainnet launch. As the best course of action for the entire industry, we will continue to support both the original fork and the new network. Given that Unification aims to support all decentralization expansions, we believe that giving the best tools possible to all channels will benefit the greater blockchain community. Currently suspended, minting bone in accordance with a previously reached community decision. The official gas for the Shibarium protocol has now reached the 230 million mark. The community decided to stop minting bone at 230 million to allow Shibarium validators access to the remaining 20 million additional bones are required for standard protocol operations, which requires a minimum of 1 million bones. While SHI will be the ecosystem's official stablecoin, Treat will only serve as a reward token. That's all for today. Shiba Inu has also hinted at the launch of multiple tokens, including SHTTY and Treat. Additionally, we would like to point out that this is not a channel designed to offer financial advice, and that we have not asked you to invest in any particular business. Rather, it is a channel aimed at bringing you educational content. Because of this, before making any investments, we advise you to conduct in-depth, comprehensive research on the subject. We sincerely hope you enjoy this video. If you own Shiba, please let us know in the comments section. Also, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up.